Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually change your profile picture on Disney Plus. Now, it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your browser and log into your existing Disney Plus account. From there we go to the top right corner where your profile appears. Now what we will do is not go to app settings or account, but we simply go to edit profile. Now here you can select the profile that you want to change the profile picture from. And from here you can see that you can select the profile picture, and as you can see you can change it to whatever you like. Now you can select some picture ones, or for example you can go down and do the Ice Age profile pictures. Now it's very easy, just scroll around and find a profile picture suiting for you. Now that's everything. If you still get any questions regarding this tutorial, please leave them in the comments down below. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.